Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's custard. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of rich heavy cream, 5 large egg yolks, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget a single teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of fine sea salt. Having all your ingredients at room temperature is a small but crucial step for achieving that perfectly smooth, silky texture. Next, we prepare the base. Gently warm your heavy cream with the vanilla in a saucepan until it's steaming, but never boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk your 5 egg yolks, 1/2 cup of sugar, and salt until the mixture becomes pale and slightly thick. Now, the critical step. Slowly drizzle the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to prevent scrambling. This tempering ensures a smooth, lump-free custard. For that signature silky texture, strain your tempered custard through a fine mesh sieve, removing any small lumps. Then, carefully pour the smooth mixture into 4 to 6 individual ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then fill the dish with hot water, reaching halfway up the ramekins. Bake this in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes, until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight wobble. Once baked, remove the ramekins from the water bath and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, refrigerate them for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to fully set. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over each chilled custard. Finally, use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms that iconic, golden brown and perfectly crisp crust. Enjoy your exquisite dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.